Picture the deep blue water, thriving coastal cities, and beautiful islands of the modern Mediterranean Sea. But now, imagine hitting rewind about 5.9 million years to a time when this massive, vibrant body of water didn't just recede, but completely vanished, leaving behind a scorching, blindingly white salt desert nearly 3 miles deep. This isn't science fiction, but a very real cataclysmic event known as the Messinian Salinity Crisis, and the story of how an entire ocean died and was brought back to life begins deep beneath the Earth's surface. Millions of years ago, the African tectonic plate was relentlessly pushing its way northward into the Eurasian plate, and as these massive continents collided, the seabed at the Strait of Gibraltar was pushed upward, slowly pinching off the Mediterranean's only connection to the Atlantic Ocean. Suddenly cut off from its vital life source in a region where the climate was incredibly hot, evaporation began to vastly outpace the fresh water flowing in from local rivers, causing the sea level to plummet over just a few thousand years until almost nothing was left. If you were somehow able to stand on the floor of this newly formed basin, you would find yourself nearly 3 miles below what used to be sea level, trapped in a terrifying alien world right here on Earth, where the atmospheric pressure was crushing, about 50% heavier than at the surface today. The heat down in that abyss would have been absolutely unimaginable, with scientists estimating that temperatures at the bottom of the basin routinely soared past 170 degrees Fahrenheit, baking a deadly, silent wasteland of miles-thick salt, punctuated only by strange rock formations and toxic, blood-red hypersaline lakes. For roughly 600,000 years, the Mediterranean remained this blindingly white, sun-scorched hellscape, but the Earth is a restless planet, and around 5.3 million years ago, the land at Gibraltar began to subside under the immense, unyielding pressure of the Atlantic Ocean. Eventually, the rock gave way, triggering the apocalyptic Zanclean flood, which remains arguably the greatest and most violent megaflood in the entire history of our planet. The water didn't just trickle back in. A colossal, towering wall of ocean water violently shattered the natural dam, tearing through the rock and carving a massive canyon at terrifying speed as it cascaded into the empty basin at a staggering rate, 1,000 times greater than the discharge of the Amazon River. The deafening roar of this mile-high catastrophic waterfall would have violently shaken the very bedrock of the Earth, as sea levels inside the desolate basin rose by an astonishing 30 feet every single day. In what may have taken anywhere from a few short months to just a couple of years, the entire 3-mile-deep basin was completely refilled, wiping away the salt desert and resurrecting the beautiful Mediterranean Sea we know today, leaving behind only a mile-thick layer of solid salt buried deep beneath the blue waves as a hidden geological scar, reminding us of the time the ocean boiled away.